Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we call your attention to some stories that you might have missed from the week. I've got a few things for you. Volvo Trucks is going to be delivering goods in Sweden using its Vera platform, which is a cabless, self-driving truck. And to learn more about that system, be sure to check out the June issue of Unmanned Systems magazine, as we have a whole feature on self-driving trucks. The Florida governor has signed a bill that he said would remove unnecessary obstacles from the development of automated vehicles, so be sure to check that out. That reminds me to remind you of AUVSI's upcoming Automated Vehicles Symposium in Florida in July, so we'll have a link for that to give you some more information. The University of Alabama in Huntsville, not far from where I am now, is going to be part of a system that will be testing drones for first responders. Last but not least, the XQ-58A Valkyrie drone from Kratos Unmanned Aerial Systems has had a successful second flight, and to learn more about that system, be sure to check out the upcoming July-August issue of Unmanned Systems magazine. And now here's a few items from Brian.
So first, Domino's Pizza has partnered with robotics company Nuro to deliver pizzas using Nuro's autonomous vehicles in Houston, Texas. Domino's will use a fleet of Nuro's R2 autonomous vehicles to serve select Houston Domino's customers who place orders online. Next, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has awarded Blacksville Technology the contract to develop an air-deployed UAS to perform lower boundary layer observations in difficult atmospheric conditions that are commonly encountered in convective storms such as hurricanes and tropical cyclones. Blacksville's goal is to provide a cost-effective, air-launched UAS designed to augment pressure, temperature, humidity, and sea surface temperature measurements with 3D wind data. And finally, a startup company called SafeAI has emerged from stealth with an announcement of $5 million in funding. SafeAI's focus is on autonomous vehicle technology that is designed and built specifically for heavy equipment used in the mining and construction industries. As always, the links will be at the bottom, and have a great weekend.
Okay, that's what we have for you this week, and next week we'll be back together again, and we'll see you then. Have a good weekend.